Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. So I'm going to try another product out for my curly hair. Big surprise, right? Okay, this is from HASK and this is Curl Defining Cream. Okay, so let's look and see what this is about. This has coconut oil, argan oil, and vitamin E, and has curl activating complex, controls frizz and hydrates curls. Turning on the back. I tell you, I'm gonna have to start getting magnifying glasses. For long-lasting, frizz-free curl retention and definition. Keep those curls in shape with the HASK Curl Defining Cream. This lightweight, humidity-proof formula works to enhance your natural curl pattern, leaving curls touchably soft and defined. Okay, so why don't we just get right into this and try this out? My stomach keeps growling. I ate too. I don't understand. You know what? I do understand. I'm lying. We'll talk about it later, but I guess I'll talk about it while I'm doing this. I didn't eat my usual snacks last night before bed. Usually me and the girls stay up and watch The Housewives of something, and I moved them in instead. Today's my first day home alone, me and Joe. He's at work, but I've never had no children living with me, and it's really weird. And yes, they're gonna come back. At least the girls probably will, but at this moment, they're paying lease for an apartment. So is my son. So technically they don't live here right now. They live in their apartment. And it's just the weirdest feeling. It's so weird. It's good and bad. It's just really oddly quiet in my house. 5 of us, and we're very loud. I think we're all, except for my son, he's not loud. But we're pretty loud, me and the girls at least. Yeah, just the girls, I guess. But it's so quiet. I mean, I'm loving it, and I already rearranged furniture, but I'll show you guys after. There's so much to be done in this house still to make it feel like I was just choking at all the stuff in my house. My daughter's stuff from her last apartment was taking over the whole dining room. Just a lot of junk everywhere. Okay, let's just get on with this review. I'm sorry I got off track. This typical cream, it smells nice, but I'm gonna tell you something. Again, I go back to my smells because I don't think I'm smelling things the way I should be. But we said that already, so let's move on. But it smells very florally from what I do smell. Maybe, is it lavender? I can't tell what the smell is. I'm not good. Oh, well, it's coconut and argan oil. That's probably what I'm smelling. Silly. I want to put a couple of curls in here. Twirly curls, because I feel like my hair hasn't... I need a haircut, but now that the kids are out, I have time to schedule, and not that I didn't have time before when they were here. It's just when they were here, I just want to hang out with them, and they're doing their own thing, but I don't know. Now I feel like I'll go out more for lunch, probably. Shopping and stuff like I used to when I worked in the office. I'm just going to put a few here. I'm not going back till January now. I'm so happy. I can have Christmas home. I mean, I'm still working, obviously, but my mental health is so much better. So much better. Okay, let's get drying. And of course, my husband walks in the door every time I'm about to start filming. So annoying. So I'm not alone anymore for the day. Okay, here we go. Okay, hair is styled and done. Hair came out really nice. Fluffy, curly. I feel like it's still a little damp, but not too much. It's funny because my last video, my hair dried in 7 minutes, and this is it's not drying. It's just that, when you have coconut oil and, what is it? Argan oil, it's going to take a little longer to dry. But on the good part of that is that you have moisturized hair. Yes, it was only 7 minutes to dry my hair last video, because that product was meant for that, to fast drying, but my hair was dry. It was dry, so I think I'd rather have moisturized hair and spend another 10 minutes drying my hair. I will use that though for when I'm in a hurry for sure. I think my hair came out good. Do you guys agree? Curls look good, they're soft. I'll do a little up close. I think my color's starting to fade out, which is what I want. You see, I want these highlights in there. That's what I forgot to do when I colored my hair. Last time I colored it, I didn't put it on my entire hair because I wanted those highlights out, and that's why my hair was too dark, because I forgot to do that. Like, not color, take some pieces. I will check in with you later and throughout the day, and we'll see how well this stays in. Because it's a cloudy day, I feel muggy. 1 minute I'm cold, next minute I'm hot. I do feel muggy because I think I just dried my hair maybe, I don't know. And the air doesn't go on anymore, the air condition, which was a nice cool off after I did my hair, but I'll see you later. Hello. Okay, so it's almost time for me to clock out. I was straightening the house up a bit because my cleaners are coming tomorrow, and I'm so excited because I want them to do a good cleaning. Like, I can't tell you, because everything has been upside down in the girls' room and Michael's room too, that with packing and stuff in the last couple of weeks, we'd say just don't clean that room, don't clean that room. So it's been ignored here and there, and I just, now that it's empty, I'm just gonna have a good deep clean in every single room. Look how empty. Hi Wilma. It's so empty and so sad looking, right? This might be my new escape. I'm gonna keep this room. This is how does my hair look? I think it looks good. I hope. I'm going out to dinner, nothing fancy, just grabbing food because I don't have to cook for everybody. Me and Joe. So I think the hair still looks good. Feels good. Feels a little, I gotta be, okay, so this is what I do. I have to review the product. I do feel, I can't explain the feeling. It's not so much that it's soft. It's a little too, there's a feeling there that I don't hate, but I don't love either, if you know what I'm saying. But it's definitely not a drying feeling. I don't know. Just feels like, you know what it is? It feels like this product in my hair. That's what it feels like. And sometimes you don't have it. Like, I have a lot of, you're probably like, well, you do have products in your hair, but I have a lot of products that I use that don't feel like I have anything in my hair, and that's why I love them, because my hair feels so natural. I totally can feel the product. That's pretty much exactly what to say. Like, I feel that there's product in my hair. Not a bad thing. My hair looks good, but just a little FYI. That's all. This is a cheap product, so it's not like you're spending a lot of money. And it looks good. Makes your hair look good. So we'll do a final check-in. But going back to the bedrooms, not that you care, but if you don't, you can just click right out. I feel bad. But if you do care, this bedroom is the biggest bedroom aside from the master. This was Sophia's room. It used to be Alina's. We did the switch around, which was fair as they got older. And what I'm going to do is just keep this room. I'm going to pretty it up a little for when they come home, because they're going to come home here and there. And it has the bathroom, so it's helpful. And this is just going to be their room. I want them to know home is still here for them, and they're probably going to move back in anyway after this is up, this lease. So I welcome them with open arms. And my son, I don't think he's going to come back to live, but you never know. I said that before. And anyway, so I don't need all these bedrooms, but I think that this one bedroom is enough because it's bigger for when the two girls come. If they come together, they just sleep in the same bed. That's what they do anyway, practically. Even when they have their own separate beds, they like to sleep together. They slept together the first night in their apartment last night, just because it was scary. I know, like, at first it made sense to make this like my filming room office, but I gotta tell you something. I love this house, but it's a dark house. We don't face west and east. We think we face north and south. Well, I don't know what it is, but either way, the sun just does not come in my house. It's like, in the front of the house, it's more sunnier than the back of the house, and this is in the back of the house. So even during the day, it's dark. So I kind of enjoy the sunlight to film in. and I thought I would just move in the other room because it's big enough. It's bigger than my last office, but smaller than this room. The sizes in this house is silly. Like, my office is just too small, and this is almost too big. It's like just even them out, but whatever. I know that's not an easy thing to say. Anyway, so I am gonna, I gotta do a tan soon. I'm looking a little pale. It's all this white. I feel like I'm in a, what do you call it? Like in a hospital or something. Everything is white, even Wilma. Okay, I'm gonna go. I'll see you later. I'll check in one more time for the house, for the hair, and see you in a bit. Okay guys, I am going to close it out because I want to cozy up and watch TV and put my hair up. I have my Lily Silk scrunchie. It's so pretty, isn't it so pretty? I'll put the link below. Oh, let me show you. I don't know if it looks good yet. We're gonna play around and see if we like it. Hello, Wilma. Okay, so I don't know if any of you remember how the house was. I had that big couch here, and I had this chair over there, and it made sense at the time because all 5 of us were in the house, and if we all wanted to watch TV, it would make sense to put that couch here. Now I want to open it up because it was so kind of closed in, and this might not stay. It's probably going to go somewhere else. But then I'm going to get like a, they call it like an oversized chair where 2 people could sit on it. And I'm thinking I might get that for here. I want to get rid of this, but he's going to kill me. I don't know where to put it. It's just too big. It's just too big. I want to get like a 2-person chair, comfy chair that either reclines or is like a chase. I don't know if that's going to look good with this, though. But I got to put this somewhere. I don't want it. I really don't want it. It's beautiful, but I don't know. Not what I'm looking for right now at the moment. And I hate the blue. Like, I want to get rid of blue. I don't like blue. Like, I don't want any trace of blue because I did the blue thing for a little bit with the blue color here. Oh, by the way, I put that table there too. And I just don't want blue anymore. I want to stick to the browns, the greens, which I always do. I don't know what made me get the blue ottoman. I don't know what made me get it. It was beautiful. I fell in love with it. And now I'm like, I hate the blue. I don't want blue in my house. But here we have it. Still a mess over here. Still got some more stuff to bring. But we're getting there. I haven't seen this in so long. All summer. I haven't seen my dried flowers, which now look like a Halloween display. I definitely need to replace that. So I'm going to do that. Oh, and I have my grass growing. Oh, this is going to be fun for the next vlog. Because Wilma likes to go outside and eat grass all the time. Sometimes she'll cry for hours on end. So you can grow your own pet grass. And it's a really nice rustic thing. So I'm going to put it somewhere. I don't know where, but Wilma, do you like your new? And my whole main concern is Wilma likes to sit in the window. So I had to put, and this is good because now her and Mickey can sit in the window together. So nice. Okay, gotta close that shade. I hate when it's not even. All 3 windows always have to be even, or else it drives me nuts. And if it's crooked, it drives me even more nuts. I just put that line on. I don't think I can keep it on all the time because it reflects off the TV.
So bright.
Do you like it?
It's too bright.
Well, I'm just showing them.
Oh, show 'em.
Such a look at this mess on the steps. I have luggage here from the girls. Literally, we just moved yesterday, so the house is still upside down. But my plan is eventually to redo the entire first floor. My plan is to replace the whole first floor with the same colored wood floor, very rusticy, lighter, and just make it all uniform, the whole first floor. And then little things here and there, but not much, because, yeah, who knows what's going to happen tomorrow. But for now, this is our empty nesting, different decor. Changing the house around a bit. Okay, I'm gonna go. Let me put my hair up. Okay, it's kind of dark, but I'm just gonna put it up and be comfy. See, that's how you seal my grays. Okay. Yeah, I definitely feel like there's like a lot of product in my hair. You know that feeling? It feels like thick from it. Oh, it's so much better. Refreshed. Okay, I have my cut sweatshirt on, my son's name from high school, and that's it. Hopefully I'll be cleaning my house more and more. It's getting there, day by day. Okay, now we're in the kitchen. I think the lighting's a little better in here. Okay, I'm gonna go because I'm having a tickle attack. My throat. I think there's something wrong. Do you guys? I'll just like be really quick on this one, but does anybody else get like, I get a morning cough, like every morning since I can remember. Like it doesn't stop, no matter what, I just get it. I have it now, I'm fighting it. And then every now and then I get this tickle that just won't stop. And sometimes if I sneeze, not all the time, but if I sneeze a certain way, I sneeze and then, oh no, here we go. I'll get that attack where then I can't breathe, my throat closes. People keep telling me you must have allergies. I never had allergies. I thought I had allergies last week, but I think it was really just a cold. Not COVID, just a cold. There still are colds. And I say that because my daughter got sick too, the next day. See, I can't talk. I don't think you want to see me coughing. Oh my God, guys. I just had that happen. I can't even talk. We just came back from dinner. I had hummus. I've had it before. I was fine. But every now and then, I'll get this tickle. And that tickle just gets me. And then it just closes my throat up. And I just had that. Joe just came down to see if I was okay because I was like, it's so scary. I hate when that happens. That's a new thing that's been happening to me in the last like year. Not all the time, but sometimes. And it's so scary. Look at me. It's so scary. Sometimes I'll just like sip something and I feel like I'm choking. Like I don't know how to swallow. It like doesn't, I don't know. And then my daughter yells, get your throat checked out. I should. But like I've had this tickle all my life. It has to be an allergy. I should just go. All right, now I have like major headache from, and I'm sweating now. Until the next video, I'm sorry if I talk a lot. Okay, I'm gonna go. Till next time, guys. See you around. See you then.